Whew. So we had ourselves a windy day the other day, and a lot of our lines kind of got ripped up, and we are gonna fix that. Taking some bags that we found that were a little high density, and we are splitting them like 4 ways, so 60 bags. It's gonna turn into 240 bags, and that's what we're doing today. Checking on some babies. Philly told me might have been not doing so well, so we're gonna check on those later today. And dude, loving the weather today. It is perfect. So we have got ourselves a glorious, beautiful day in the middle of January. Very much of a blessing. I mean, I'm scuttling out here like European style in the middle of January. We are about to take all these bad boys out. Got ourselves a nice slow back lease. They're right back to the lease. What kind of music you feel like listening to, Philly?
You like listening to... I like some Russian side trance.
Russian side trance it isn't. I think there's like 160 of them. We split 60 bags into 160. Pretty low density. These will be touched again in March and sorted and tumbled one more time, and then hopefully they're dropped into bottom cages, or they're gonna be put back into some bigger floating bags. Bags dropped. Now we're on to go pick up some pre-markets to sort and tumble. Looking good. A lot more bags to go. Wins and some losses. This right here is a loss. That is flipped cage. That's what you find when you find a flipped cage. Not a total loss, but not pretty. Now this is pretty. This beauty we found. All its wills and frills, kind of looking like a West Coast from what I was seeing earlier. But some losses. And we accidentally find these bad boys. Been sitting, they popped off the line. So all these got to get sorted and tumbled. And that'll be all these studs. That's a monster of an oyster. We have Wednesday. We survived the storm. Kind of windy out. Tides are low. Trying to get the boat finished. Doing some cutting. Getting some general. Just trying to basically fill in the gaps on her. But kind of glad we didn't launch her because of that windstorm. So got lucky with that. Once she was on land, I got nowhere to pull her out. The trailer won't be here until spring. So when she goes in, she stays in. So I thought I was safe too because it's winter, but yesterday showed me it can get to like 60-mile-an-hour winds. It's a big girl. Don't want her jumping around. But yep, Wednesday's good. Heading to Washington State tomorrow. See some fam and some farms.
And we call them slaps. Boom, slap it down, get it ready, no need for a cup, slap her, cheers. She didn't come apart of me, so cheers again.
Wild man.
Delicious. Thank you, dude. Appreciate you.
Came out to Taylor Shellfish with my cousin. Got to see some of the cool ass boats that they got going on. Got to see the sunset.
Pure white. Pure white. I got a clam.
What'd you think when I first told you about oyster farming? 7 years ago.
Dude, way too, dude.
It's perfect space.
You came on to me hard.
I'm coming onto you hard. Did you think oyster farming was a real job?
I thought oyster farming was a real job, but I thought you were nuts. I didn't think you'd be able to get and break into the culture of it. And then when you got into it, you slammed it, dude. I saw your operation and I was proud, and I've never been prouder of you.
Love you, Robbie.
Can't wait to slap some oysters today.
Why are you gonna... Dude, Elliot's Oyster Bar. This is the backyard. Definitely gonna try and sell some oysters out here. If there's one place I want to sell them in Seattle, it's definitely gonna be here. Oh man, just look at that view. Can't see that.
Slap it on. If you get a freebie, slap a little. Slappy. Wow. And slap them. Cheers, guys. Ooh. Watch out, Slappy. Slap.
These are some views.
Slap one. We got one right here.
Good spot.
You can do about it. Gotta open her up. You gotta slap her down. You're getting good content here.
No idea what's going on. That man's gonna be an oyster farmer before the end of his life.
Been broke for 27 years. I ain't going for 28. Been seeing you niggas flexing and finessing the shit.